Look at the dust accumulation on the rear suspension, John.
Incredible. I'm getting a reading on the RTG. Houston, the high gain is definitely compromised at the pivot joint. Looks like a hard impact. Telemetry stable, beginning active scan sequence now.
Reading you 5x5.
We have a positive lock on the power conduit.
All right, slowly engage the stabilizers.
The readings on the instrument panel seem stable, but check the insulation around the battery array.
Already on it. The thermal data shows a slight anomaly there.
Okay, document the degradation on the starboard side foil.
Recording significant micrometeoroid pitting near the wheel housing now.
Okay, easy now. Clear on the left. Confirmed. Watch the thermal tape. Looks good. Bring it up another foot.
Okay, it's free. Ready to lift on 3.
Steady, steady. Watch those harnesses.
The bare frame of the 1969 Lunar Rover is carefully lifted onto the platform for the beginning of its extensive restoration.
Okay, the harness continuity checks out. Reading 4.2 ohms on the hub motor.
Joystick deflection is within tolerance.
I'm seeing some microfracturing on this strut.
Copy that. Let's flag it for closer review.
The scan on the chassis is complete.
Confirmed. We have the full wireframe model now. The diameter on the wheel housing is 4.015.
Matches the schematic. Record that.
Check the alignment on that strut.
Looks good. Next, the upper universal joint here.
Gently bring that panel forward
Got it. Aligning with the forward mounting points now.
and watch the cabling on the left side.
I'm getting an anomaly reading on the rear actuator joint.
Confirmed.
The torque values are inconsistent with the baseline data. We need to recalibrate.
Wiring harness secure on cell 12.
Confirmed continuity across the bank.
Keys now, bring it down just a fraction.
Alignment is good.
Securing the bolts.
Connector seated and locked.
Verification complete. Good to go.
Bringing wheel 2 to a stop, check the current draw.
Reading steady at 0.5 amps.
System engaged.
Readouts are stable.
Power flow nominal. We have green across the board.
Looks good here. Readings are stable.
Confirmed. Sign off on page 3. Well done.
Final bolt secured on the chassis.
Confirmed on the readout. Looks perfect.
Switching to primary bus power now.
And confirmed. All indicators are solid green. Status nominal.
That's it, she's ready.
Linkage alignment looks good on 2 and 3.
Confirmed. Reading nominal torque.
Telemetry shows a spike in the power curve on main bus B.
Roger that. Switching to auxiliary control.
We have stabilization.
The actuator response is well within the original specifications.
It's remarkable how well the system holds up.
Guide it right into the socket.
Steady. Okay, applying the twist. It's locked.
System checks are complete on my side. Everything is well within parameters.
Copy that.
Yeah.
The rover is good to go.
Notice the specialized wire mesh tires, essential for gripping the lunar regolith in low gravity.